Hey guys, I'm back and today I'm going to be unboxing something from Star Wars and I got it from my mom. And today I am unboxing Star Wars Rogue One Darth Vader. Now this was from my advent calendar and tomorrow is Christmas and today's Christmas Eve. I'm super excited to spend time with my family. There was no school, which I am happy with. So I think, well, let's talk about the front first, okay? So we've got a black stormtrooper. We got a good picture of Darth Vader here. We have like this shooter thing. I think that's supposed to be like the Force or something. And then there's like an app. I don't know what it is. I think you can make like a movie with it. Maybe. Who knows? So let's look at the back. So there's a little bit of writing here. So if you just want to like zoom up on it, want to read some of it, that's fine. And so there's a picture of Darth Vader. There's like a kid making a movie. So yeah. Let's unbox it, I think. Okay, so gonna try to open the package with. I'll be right back. I paused it at the wrong time. Okay, so my mom's. I think I'm allowed to use it. Who knows? Just like that. Boom. There's my dad. Okay, so let's try to open it. Oh. They're like, oh, stupid. I'm trying to like save the awesome art. It's like, got to be kidding me. There's tape everywhere. They really do not want you to open this. Okay, let's do this. Oh. Come on. Oh, that's just great. I ripped it. Oh, so this has got like a weird feel to it. Okay, so let's try to. Okay, there's like a little background to that. Okay, so let's get that. Ooh. And why is there? I think this is instructions. Let's just see what it is real quick. So if it's instructions, then I don't want it. Yeah, it's instructions for the game. I don't have the game, so I don't care. Gonna put that off to the side. And so this has got like a weird feel to it. If you ever have this, it's like rubbery or plasticky. Not good. Okay, so he is the actual figure himself. So he comes with his iconic lightsaber. Oh, there's tape on everything, guys. Okay, here's his iconic lightsaber. So this is pretty good. It's like plastic. You can sort of bend. Oh no. Okay, well, I got Vader out of the package if you didn't see. Hopefully you did. So his arms move, his cape can come off, his head moves, that moves. I'm like trying to figure out. So, oh my gosh. Will it not work? It will not work for some odd reason. If it won't work, then what's the whole point of using this thing? Again, I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be. Oh, no. I had it, then I didn't. No, come on.
I need to take cards.
What? This is gonna get as far as I'm gonna get, guys. Like it won't even fire. Like, it'll just do this. Maybe I was wrong. It's gonna. You see? It won't fire. Oh, there you go. Okay, so this is kind of a little hard. So, let's get his lightsaber in. Yeah, his lightsaber. Wait, what? Oh, I think his lightsaber has to go on a certain hand. Whoops. Okay. Okay, zoom. There, zoom. 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 I'm assuming that his wrists rotate, as it looks like it. Because right now, his lightsaber mode is awfully weird. Like, look at that. No one holds a lightsaber like that.
So you can use this for the tap and then whatever you don't, or what, of course it's going to cost more than this stuff. But I gotta get Charlie's
No, it's still like that. So, I don't know what, like, it doesn't come out of his hands, like, it doesn't come out of his hands, but it's, like, not really. Oh, there goes his lightsaber. I really have no idea. I think his arms rotate. At least I think so. Okay. Well, I'll figure it out someday. So, like, subscribe, turn on the push notifications, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See ya later in the next video.